Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes, and today I am going to tell about the formula mass and percentage composition. What is the formula mass and percentage composition we will discuss in this video. So what is the formula mass and percentage composition? These topics have taken from the chapter 1 of the class 11. You know very well the name of the chapter 1 is the some basic concept of the chemistry. This is the name of the chapter 1. And for the knowledge of all previous topic, you can watch my previous all videos, and the students who's new on my channel, so you should watch all videos for the knowledge of your previous all topics, and subscribe to my channel also for the notification of new videos which are available on my channel. So let's start the continuous topic. Today's topic is formula mass and percentage composition. What is the formula mass? Some substance such as NaCl do not contain discrete molecule. What is the discrete molecule? Discrete means separate molecule. It means NaCl do not contain separate molecule. It means positive and negative entities are arranged in three-dimensional structure. Here positive, what is the positive? Na plus, and what is the negative? Cl minus. Both are arranged in three-dimensional structure like here. Okay. Some points also should be noted. In sodium chloride, one Na plus is surrounded by 6 chlorine and vice versa. Here, suppose red color dot is Na plus, then blue color is Cl minus. Then one Na surrounded by 3 Cl minus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So one Na plus is surrounded by 6 Cl minus, and vice versa means, or you can say 6 Cl minus is surrounded by 1 Na plus. So this is the structure of NaCl. This is the three-dimensional structure of NaCl. And what is the next point? NaCl is used to calculate the formula mass instead of the molecular mass of solid state of NaCl. It means we calculate the solid state of NaCl formula mass instead of molecular mass, because here all ions of NaCl is arranged very closely in three-dimensional structure. That's why they formed a structure. So we find out the formula mass of NaCl instead of the molecular mass. For the knowledge of molecular mass, you can watch my previous video also, because there is also available all topics of masses in my previous video. So what is the formula mass of NaCl? Formula mass of NaCl is equal to atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of Cl minus. That is, atomic mass of Na sodium is 23.0 mu, and atomic mass of Cl minus, you know very well, 35.5 mu, is equal to, when we add both quantities, then we got 58.5 mu. That is the formula mass of NaCl. Okay, how can we calculate? I repeat again, formula mass of NaCl is equal to atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of Cl minus. What is the atomic mass of Na? 23.0 mu plus 35.5 mu is equal to 58.5 mu. 23.0 is the atomic mass of Na, and 35.5 mu is the atomic mass of the Cl minus. When added, then find out 58.5 mu. Okay, this is the formula mass. Why we calculate formula mass instead of molecular mass? Because here ions do not contain discrete molecule. It means NaCl do not contain discrete molecule. All molecules are arranged very closely in three-dimensional structure. That's why we calculate molecular mass instead of we calculate formula mass instead of molecular mass, because ions are arranged very tightly in three-dimensional structure. Okay, now come on the percentage composition. What is the percentage composition? Let's discuss with example. Here example has given water. We take the example of water. Water contain what type of atoms? Hydrogen and oxygen. So let's start the mass of an element. What element? Hydrogen. Suppose we calculate the mass of hydrogen, then what happened? First is mass of an element. Formula is mass of an element is equal to mass of that element in compound upon molar mass of compound into 100. So this is the formula. If we take the example of water and calculate the mass of an element, mass of hydrogen element. Suppose we calculate mass of hydrogen element. Then how can we calculate mass of hydrogen element? Here what is the formula? Mass of that element. It means mass of hydrogen element. What is the mass of hydrogen? 1.008. This is the mass of hydrogen. Okay, and upon molar mass of compound. What is the molar mass of water? 18.02. This is the molar mass of water into 100. That is the percentage composition of hydrogen in water. Like the same manner, we find out also the percentage composition of oxygen in water. How can we calculate percentage composition of oxygen in water? Oxygen, mass of oxygen is 16. So we write 16 upon total mass of the water 18.02 into 100. This is the mass of the oxygen. So by the process of this we calculate the percentage composition. Formula of percentage composition has given here. I will also discuss in my next video again what is the percentage composition. So let's start the today's topic. What is the today's topic? I repeat my class again. What is the today's topic? First is the formula mass. What is the formula mass? Some substance such as NaCl do not contain discrete molecule. It means separate molecule. Like positive Na plus and negative Cl minus entities are arranged in 3-dimensional structure. It means Na plus and Cl minus arranged in 3-dimensional structure. So what happened? Some points should be noted here. In sodium chloride, 1 Na plus is surrounded by 6 chlorine. 1 Na plus is surrounded by 6 chlorine, or vice versa. It means 6 chlorine is surrounded by 1 Na. Then NaCl is used to calculate the formula mass instead of molecular mass. That's why, because here is 3-dimensional structure and not contain discrete molecule, we calculate the formula mass instead of molecular mass. What is the molecular mass? You can watch my previous video. I described in detail what is the molecular mass. Okay. So formula mass of NaCl is equal to atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of Cl minus. Atomic mass of Na is 23.0 mu and atomic mass is Cl minus is 35.5 mu. Resultant 58.5 mu. This is the formula mass of NaCl. What is the percentage composition? Here percentage composition is mass of an element is equal to mass of that element in compound upon molar mass of compound into 100. This is the percentage composition. And here water contain, example, let's see the example. Water contain hydrogen and oxygen element. So let's start the mass of hydrogen element. How can we calculate? Mass of hydrogen element is 1.008 has given here, and divided by mass of molar mass of water 18.02 gram also given, multiplied by 100. Like the same manner also calculate the mass of oxygen. Here we write mass of oxygen, and mass of oxygen is 16.00 divided by molar mass of water or multiply by 100. So this is the percentage composition. Hope you understand this class very well. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Surbhi here and from Krishna classes, and also watch all previous video for the detailed knowledge, and upcoming classes you should watch my all previous video. Thank you so much.